Hello, I'm going to show you how to get flip clock in your iPhone always in display / nightstand, because you can prop it sideways and you can have the time, the date displayed in your iPhone right after you plug it into charge. So you plug it in at night and this will pop up as an always on display. So how we do this? First, we will use this application. The application is free. I will put a link in the description so you can download it. Here it is, Clock Flip Clock. This is the application. Download it. After that, you want to go to shortcuts. Under shortcuts, we will go to automation. Here it is. Click in it. Then click create personal automation. Now scroll down to the bottom and you see the charger. Click it. Now make sure is connected is ticked as you see. Then click next. Then click the search tab. Here it is. Click on it. Then click scripting. Here it is. Then now click open up. Now click here, choose. Now we will find our application, which was Clock Plus. Here it is. Click it. Then we have to click next. Now we must turn off ask before running. Turn off this. Don't ask. Then tap done. Now it is ready. When I plug my charge in, the flip clock will turn on. Let me plug it. Here is, as you see, here is the application is opened and you can put it sideways. Also you can change the color. Here it is. Here's the application. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up. See you in another video.